To achieve proper adhesion of a primer surfacer, it's necessary to first prepare the repair area properly. Sand all recessed areas and panel edges with a red scuff pad. Then wash the area with an appropriate PPG cleaner, being sure to avoid spraying the cleaner directly on the body filler. Completely dry with a clean cloth. Next, mask off the adjoining areas as necessary to protect from any overspray. Then, apply a self-etching primer to any exposed bare metal areas, following the product's proper application procedures. Next, mix the primer surfacer following the product's instructions. The first coat of the surfacer should be applied medium wet and extend just beyond the repair edge. Then apply 2 to 4 additional coats, staying within the repair area to minimize its size. This is called reverse priming. Allow each coat to flash to a uniform, dull appearance before applying the next. After the primer has flashed completely to a matte finish, allow to air dry at the ambient temperature, or force dry according to the product's instructions. Once dry, you're ready to sand the primer surfacer, following the recommended procedures.